No.
Sister Rose, I hope she didn't get in there and pass out quick.
I want to get them when they walk out. I want to get them when they walk in.
I mean when someone's walking this
I cannot.
Let me smack the the camera.
They have to be walking up through the middle.
They gotta walk up, period.
I can't record if someone's walking up over there. I can't, because then my phone can't see it.
My phone is. Mine's right there. Look. Look at mine. Mine looks like a TV.
Oh my god.
That's cool. That's comedy, baby. It's going on YouTube. Hey, this is like a real prank.
Hey, put mine up there too.
Okay, I'll put yours on this side. Let me see. Hurry. Is it recording?
Don't record it yet until someone's coming.
Where the heck am I going to put yours?
I don't want to watch a 5 minute of nothing and then all of a sudden...
I'll leave my Red Bull. I have to start it now.
No, don't start it now.
Yes, you can just fast forward.
No.
Yes.
Don't press it yet.
How come it's not working? Okay, there you go. Tell me when somebody's coming. I'll do the black chick coming out.
Press them both and someone pulling in.
I'm going to do it as soon as she opens the door. You know, I got to just buy another one of these.
You're talking into the video.
It doesn't matter. Okay. No, Nanny's got to stop. Let's hear Nanny.
Oh, did you hear that?
Give me my phone.
Did you hear that?
Wait, Nanny, wait, no.
Nanny.
I got camera set up. Hold on. Do it. Wait, we're going to do this like you.
Is that fight and get this? Like, help her.
It's my dollar.
Quit laughing and help her.
Hold on, I'm crying.
Well, you're fixing to be crying.
Oh, God.
Maybe.
Oh, my word.
Get out of her way and buckle
I didn't get it, Clint. I didn't get it.
First saw the restaurant was a long line. The restaurant not working.
Clayton.
So then they opened up the other side, and then they finally get down to the woman in front of me, and she had only $1.36 on her card. So she's trying to decide what she's gonna put back, and then she decides to put everything back.
I got pee.
You know what? Margaret, here's my wallet for my purse over there.
Okay.
Clayton, get the damn drink off the dash and get your foot off my gas pedal.
And get your...
Mate. Oh, did you hear that?
I can't even hear the car start.